Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make coconut bars. Very simple and easy to make. First of all, you need a can of condensed milk, which is 397 grams. A ratio of 4.5 to 1, so that's 400 grams. So we need 1800 mils. We're not going to do grams but milliliters. Here we go. These packets of coconut are 170 grams. This jug is 500 mils. So there you can see 170 grams is about 500 mils. So we need 1800 mils, which means 3 and a bit packets. It seems a bit much compared to the amount of condensed milk, but believe me, it works out perfect. And it works out a lot cheaper than purchasing them in the shop. They are available sometimes in Tesco's Extra. I haven't seen them there for a long time, so I've decided to make them myself. So that's 1500. And I'll tap into my reserve packet here. I was thinking 3 was going to be enough, but that doesn't seem to be the case. So we need another, that's 1500, so we need another 300 mils. Which is about there. Yep, that's about 300. And there we go, simple as that. Dispose of the packaging. But I've still got a bit left for my breakfast cereals and so on. And then you just want to mix it. Just mix it together. Keep mixing the stuff. Until all the coconut is absorbed into the condensed milk. So once you're satisfied that it's all properly mixed, take a baking tray and you line that with greaseproof paper. So this is the sort of texture of the stuff now. But it's going to come together now because we're going to compress it. If you squeeze it together, it should stick like that. So just pour the whole lot into the baking tray. Simple as that. And then you're just going to spread it out evenly. The problem is this paper slides around a bit, so just hold it down with the thumb. And in the stuff goes. Doesn't have to be perfect, just keep squeezing it down. Tapping it down like that. See, it's not too sticky because it's not sticking on this lifter too much. And that is basically how you do that. Just keep pressing it down quite hard, quite firmly. Put quite a bit of pressure on it and it will stick together. Smooth it down. And there you have one giant coconut bar. If you so desire. Once you're satisfied that that's nice and firm, all you have to do is to place it in the freezer for about 20 minutes to half hour. You can put it in the fridge or the freezer. I prefer the freezer because it's quicker. And I just use this then to slice it into bars. And it tastes delicious. So that's a basic way to make your own coconut bars at home. It doesn't cost much. 1 can of condensed milk and about 3 3/4 packets of coconut. Very simple and easy to make, very tasty. And what you can do afterwards, once you've cut them up, is to wrap them individually in greaseproof paper and keep them in the fridge. Okay, so here we have the finished product. It's been in the freezer for a good half hour or so. I'm going to cut them up into bars. Just kind of dig in with this here and cut them up. It's a bit easier to do once the stuff has solidified a bit. You can divide them up how you want to. So if you want to do them in bars, sort of divide them in that direction, or you can cut them into squares, make them smaller. Not going to be exact, but yeah, there you've got like an individual treat, which you can then wrap if you so wish. A bit of greaseproof paper for storage, or a bigger piece of paper if you want to make it into a bar. There we have one coconut bar, about the size of what you would purchase in a shop. Okay, you can just wrap that and store it. So basically that's it. Your coconut treats are ready to sample, and they are delicious. So that's it from me for today. I hope that you all have a good Christmas, and that you all stay safe and well, and best wishes for the new year from me. Bye bye for now.